Let's stop spending money on new craft supplies. Instead, let's use what we already have. In today's video, we will draw, paint, recycle, and use the most unexpected things. Those card ideas could be perfect for any occasion, from birthdays to thank you card, even teacher's cards, you name it. I gathered some, let's be honest, those are not flowers, those are weeds from my garden. These were all on the grass. But honestly, look at them, the most gorgeousness grass you can ever imagine. Grab some cardboard, grab some card bases. Beautiful brown card bases could be just so elegant. The tricky part is to make those lines. Make sure to draw it first, it's going to be so much easier. And then when you cut in it, put something under your card to make sure that you're not going to cut on your desk or book or whatever you have underneath it. I'm using metal ruler, it's much easier and kind of safer with the cutting knife. Then I have created like a pocket thing and I put my brush there, so it is so much easier to stick into it my grass and create a little bouquet. I think it's a fun technique, fun little thing, because you can really add whatever you have. It could be a grass, it could be some real flowers, it could be some dry flowers. Your composition and what you put in there depends from you. You can even do it last minute and then tape on the back to cover it up so it's not going to be moving. Cut it away and there you go. You just have left something to do, which is the title, best teacher. Again, this card could be for birthdays, for thank you, for whichever. I'm using also hot glue gun to attach my writing. I think it just holds the best, and I kind of curved it a little bit so it's like a little bridge sort of thing, and I just think it makes it really lovely. Our second card, which is also inexpensive, very much handmade card, it's something that we will draw ourselves and then paint it as well. Super pretty, easy flower, and I'm using regular pencils, regular coloring pencils, nothing fancy here. I'm pretty sure that your kids, your grandkids, your friends, everyone has some pencils at home, am I right? But possibly, if you can, try to draw it on some watercolor paper, so then when you color it, you will have your pigment moving much easier and you can fill in those. It's like in the coloring book, really. You're just adding the color and filling in the spaces, making the green on the leaves, pink on the flower, and voila. I love this coloring combination, these shades of green and pink. It is very kind of vintagey looking somehow. I love it. It's not a tulip, really. It's not, I think it's a flower that has no name. It has no type, and that's okay. I think it's great to just try it and just enjoy the freedom of drawing, painting, and just do however your heart desire. It's okay. And with this technique, when you draw first and then filling in the color, I think it's really forgiving technique. It's simple, it's no time really, and everyone can create something pretty, even if you don't feel like comfortable with painting, drawing. I think mixing those two techniques with each other, it's great, and it's gonna work out for everyone. I promise you. You just have to start, and I love this so much. I created this video, as you can see, 15 easy ideas on the other channel, Maremi Simple Craft. Check them out if you like. Super, super pretty flowers. And there's so many ideas, so many ways of drawing, doodling the flowers. You just have to check them out. Also, lastly, I fast forward the process. I just doodle around with the pen because I just love the effect of doodling. This process is sped up because of course it's easy. It's just doodling around, and that's it. Then grab some scissors and cut it out, and it's like a gorgeous, perfect embellishment that you can just add to your card, and you are done. It's no time really. And if you wish to make few cards of this kind, you could actually copy this flower and then print it again and again and have several of them. Then I'm adding as well handwritten words, handwritten title, thank you, here it is, and just glue it down as well. I'm telling you, those are ideas that they are very cost effective, nearly no cost. you don't need much of skills, honestly. All you have to do is just sit down, give yourself a chance. And I think using brown base, it's such a great way because I think it's very elegant, as I said before, and it will just make wonders, I think. And then I have some also weeds from my garden. Honestly, those yellow flowers, are they weeds? Tell me, but I don't think they are any proper flowers. And then tea bag, a dry tea bag, and this gorgeous paper from tea bags. Use what you have and create your bouquet with that tea bag. I think it's fantastic idea. I loved it. I just fell in love with the idea, and I think I'm more and more into creating basic things, using really things around the house, using things that are inexpensive and achievable, doable for everyone. My gorgeous friends, I'm gonna finish here, hoping you enjoyed this video, hoping you will try those ideas for yourself. You can make them for birthdays, for weddings, you name it. Honestly, sky is the limit. And you can use maybe magazine or music notes instead of tea bags, whatever works best for you. At the end of this video, you will see some sneak peeks of the other videos from the other channel, so feel free to check it out. Sneak peeks and ideas of paintings, I really hope you will like it. Have a look, maybe you will find something that will inspire your creativity. Thank you so very much. I love you, my friends, and I'll chat to you sooner than you think. Happy card making. Bye for now. Bye bye. You won't find easier flowers than those, I promise you. In today's video, not only I'm going to show you how to draw and paint, but I will prove you can actually do it yourself. Grab some pencils, and to be honest, I'm using mix of different pencils. Those are just regular pencils. None of them are watercolor pencils actually. Outside my page, as you can tell, you can see different flowers already that I was just practicing with, and I fussy cut them, and I will be using those for some other projects, so stay tuned. I promise you to show you some super pretty ideas how to actually use those flowers. So don't be afraid to use your supplies. Your supplies are your best friends, so make best friends with them, be friends with them, use them. They want to be used. They don't want to be on the shelf staring at you or you staring at them. Just use what you have. If you never painted before but always wanted it, this video is perfect for you. With me today, you will be able to create some gorgeous watercolor flowers. Just sit down, relax, grab few tools, and let's paint. I'm showing you my favorite supplies that I'm using, and also how I cut effectively my A4 size watercolor paper. And that's the idea for me, to make people do art every day. So thank you so much, my gorgeous friends. We will be soon finishing. I hope you liked it and enjoyed this tutorial. 3 different flowers. I'm not going to ask you which is your favorite because they are way too similar, I think. I love them all, and I hope you will also enjoy this. Happy painting, and I'll speak to you very soon. I already miss you, but I'll be back, I promise, sooner than you know. Happy painting, and I'll chat to you.